prescription Abreva. It's the only FDA-approved medicine to shorten cold sore healing time. Only Abreva penetrates deep inside your cold sore to help block the virus from entering healthy cells and speed healing. In fact,
he's having more fun now. He knows that he isn't going to smash the baby.
Longer than you have to. Help get rid of it fast with clinically proven Abreva. Learn more at Abreva.com. This has been Medifax for Abreva.
I'd like one of those desserts and some coffee. Sure. Cake or pie? Apple or cherry?
Sasha's mouth is open like a more retard.
Or cream? Cream. Some use hydrogenated oil. Ready Whip uses real dairy cream. Nothing's more real than Ready Whip.
If money grew on trees, it would hold still while you picked it.
Teddy.
Well, that's no fun. But this is.
Look, he ran into a coffee table, so what is he going to do to a kitten? Oh, gosh. Oh. Now you see why he has to play outside.
Wow.
Oh. Well, you hit him in the head with it, dear.
Guess you heard that. Oh, he caught it. That's never fun.
And this is after they've been playing for like what? How long now? With other stuff and this?
Oh,
Now it's her turn.
she's like, she doesn't want to play if a retarded cat's gonna jump on her. Oh, it's gonna end badly.
It's like a cougar pacing in a cage. He's like too big.
What is Sasha doing? Her mouth was like open.
Ebony was a great artist.
Why is
one of the most important in the
Look
history
at
of
her.
people.
Oh, she's getting overheated, honey. Maybe she needs to calm down for a minute. Get a drink of water, rest.
Oh, but this is too much fun.
Great.
And she'll continue.
Yeah, maybe we ought to stop for a minute. What do you think?
Best of albums, dance remixes, the unreleased
But
songs.
Nala is
This will be
excited.
Ebony music for years.
So many were saddened to hear of Ebony's death, from fans to stars, including one of the top artists in the music business.
I'll never forget how it all went down. I heard that
There you
Ebony
go,
recorded a song of mine, and I was thrilled.